Handling client content calendars like a pro can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to streamline the entire process and stay organized without feeling stressed. Stay tuned, because I'll even give you access to an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using in this video, just for viewers of this channel. Let's dive right in. The first step to managing your client content calendars effectively is understanding the big picture. A content calendar isn't just a list of dates, it's a visual representation of your strategy. You need to make sure it reflects your client's goals, deadlines, and key marketing events. Always start by mapping out any big dates like product launches, promotions, or seasonal campaigns. This gives you the foundation to build everything else around. Now, it's time to break that strategy into manageable tasks. You don't want your calendar to get cluttered with too many details. Instead, focus on the key actions, like creating content, editing, or scheduling posts. For each task, set a realistic deadline that allows you enough time to make adjustments as needed. This gives your client clarity and keeps things moving smoothly. You also want to keep communication open. When handling client content calendars, it's vital to keep your client in the loop. Share the calendar regularly and let them provide feedback, especially before content is finalized or scheduled. This not only avoids surprises but ensures you stay aligned with their vision. The third step is using the right software. Managing client content calendars manually or with spreadsheets can quickly become chaotic, especially when you're handling multiple clients. I've tested some of the most popular software out there, and I'll show you how using this software will save you time and prevent headaches. It's easy to use and helps you stay on top of deadlines, making it a great tool for both small teams and large marketing agencies. I'll be sharing a link to an exclusive free trial of the software in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. This is a great way to follow along and implement what you learn in this video without committing right away. Here's where it gets interesting. Another key to handling client content calendars like a pro is creating templates. Templates are your secret weapon for consistency and efficiency. By setting up reusable templates for each client, you can quickly fill in the details, saving you time on repetitive tasks. This also ensures that you don't miss any crucial steps. Also, remember that flexibility is important. Things change, especially in marketing. Being able to adjust the calendar when last-minute content needs to be added, or when deadlines shift, will make you look more professional and help you build trust with your clients. Having a buffer in your calendar for unexpected tasks or content changes is essential. To sum up, managing client content calendars like a pro comes down to organization, communication, and using the right tools. Start by mapping out the big dates and goals. Break it down into manageable tasks with realistic deadlines. Keep your clients updated and involved, and always have a solid system in place to track everything. By using the right software, you'll save time and ensure your clients are always happy with the progress. The key takeaway from this video is that effective content calendar management is all about creating clarity and consistency, both for you and your client. Stay organized, communicate well, and use tools that make your life easier. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the software I've been using in this video, grab your exclusive free trial from the link in the description below. That's all for now.